Hey guys, I'm hoping you're doing all right. Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you a little bit more about the use case I was talking in the previous video. Um, so in my video series, I basically started from using ChatGPT to answer based on your knowledge, like I used Wikipedia, for example. Then I went further to explain you, okay, it's also capable of transcripting your audio data to text, and then you ask based on that audio data. And one step further to ask questions on videos. Yeah, I used ChromaDB, the vectordb, which I explained also in the video. Then LangChain, Python, obviously, now JavaScript, and all the OpenAI APIs. But let's get down and I'll show you what I made. So I'm using the video where Elon Musk destroys the reporter, the BBC reporter, Musk reporter. So I want to know where, yeah, you have to think of something like the timestamps you want to get from the model. Let's say you're interested in all the things what has Musk to say against the reporter, for example. Let's yeah, and then let's say what did the reporter insist? How did Musk react? And then we ask the genius. So we have timestamps 5 minutes 50, 150, and 350. And an answer, the reporter insisted that Musk give an example of hateful content, and Musk was not able to give an example. So the reporter said that Musk did not know what he was talking about. Well, I think that's completely the other way, but how can he know that, or how can it know that this was Musk and this was the reporter? Anyways, if we now want to watch the video, we can go to 150 and get all the stuff what he's saying based on like the Musk reporter thing. Um, but yeah, in general, I want to build something that I have a video library and I can go through all the videos which I'm interested and then get my information because we can go and ask example of Musk. So we can take it further and ask we have the same timestamps. The reporter insisted and Musk give an example of hateful content, and Musk was not able to give an example, so the reporter said that Musk did not know what he was talking about. Yeah, as I explained, it's the other way around, but I think you get the idea. So I find this tool super helpful for saving my time. It takes a while, like you saw in the last video, to chunk down all these videos, but in the end, it's definitely not difficult. I also would like to upload the whole thing to GitHub, but right now I'm not able to do it because it's still not super nice. So if you want, you can already use the code which is on GitHub. I am going to link it in the description and build your front end based on that. Um, but I'm also interested in your use cases. What are you using it for? And also, I would like to know if you would like to hear more about my use cases and use cases of AI in general, or you would like to see more of the coding itself, because I also got an answer of a subscriber of me. He was basically saying that he's an entrepreneur, but he's not able to code. So I would like to know how to connect like these two words together. So yeah, The more answers I get, the more valuable content I can deliver to you guys. And I think that's also it for this video. I actually ordered a microphone to make the videos a little bit more professional. Right now I'm already always streaming on my MacBook and without any preparations, but I hope you enjoy the videos and I'll see you next time.